Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 32-inch LED TV. Here the complaint is with the panel. See, here the TV shows only white display. Here you can see the white shade picture on the screen. These types of white shaded picture are because of Vgh voltage missing from the Gate Cof. See, this is the complaint. By experience, here I am sure that here the fault is with the Vgh voltage. Actually, the Vgh voltage is missing from the side cof and it is causing this white display issue on the screen. So let's start the repair. Friends, now we open the panel frame. Here you can see this is the Gate Cof. The model number is TAPE9522-014A. This is the model number. Friends, now in the Vgh test point of this side cof, we need to bypass the Vgh voltage from the scalar board. See friends, now we bypassed a jumper wire in the Vgh test point. And here you can see the final result after bypassing the Vgh voltage in the side cof in Vgh test point. See the result. Here actually the Vgh voltage is missing from the side cof and because of that it shows white display. Now we bypassed the Vgh voltage from the scalar board using a jumper wire. So now we successfully solved the Vgh voltage missing issue from the panel side cof. So after bypassing the Vgh voltage, here you can see the final result. Now the complaint is successfully solved. Here you can see now the picture is okay. Now there is no widescreen issue on the display. See friends, after bypassing the jumper wire, we should be very careful. We should place the jumper wire safely. Here I am using a double-sided tape to stick the jumper wire properly. See, using a double-sided tape, here I fixed the jumper wire properly. If the jumper wire is not fitted properly, then it may damage the side cof. See friends, now we fixed the jumper wire using a double-sided tape. See friends, from the scalar side, here also we fixed the jumper wire using a double-sided tape. Here you can see the Vgh test point in which we soldered the jumper wire. See friends, now we successfully solved the Vgh missing complaint. So let's put the back cover back to the TV. Now the TV is repaired successfully. See friends, here you can see the final result. Now the display is okay. See, after bypassing the missing Vgh voltage to the side cof using a jumper wire, now the panel is repaired successfully. So hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thanks for watching.